Er trägt den Namen eines Helden, kämpft sich durch jede Dimension. Er findet unentdeckte Welten und besiegt jede Illusion. Er ist wie der Ninja der Nacht, er hat grenzenlose Energie. Und wenn der Rache erwacht, gibt er ihm einfach ein Leckerli. Was macht er als nächstes? Hier wird etwas entstehen, niemand wird es kommen sehen. Was wird nun geschehen? Zeit für eine Sensation. Die Sehnsucht ist groß, dieses Abenteuer wollen wir sehen. Und werden ihn wiedersehen. Es wird sensationell, wir fragen uns, was hier wird geschehen. Habt ihr das gesehen? Ich habe gehört, er hat über der Tisch. Er ist so wunderschön. Ist das nicht? Dort, da, ist das so? Da ist er. Zeit für eine Sensation. Die Sehnsucht ist groß, die Abenteuer müssen wir sehen. Und werden ihn wiedersehen. Es wird sensationell, wir fragen uns, was hier wird geschehen. Er trägt den Namen eines Helden, kämpft sich durch jede Dimension. Er findet unentdeckte Welten und besiegt jede Illusion. Er ist wie der Ninja der Nacht, er hat grenzenlose Energie. Und wenn der Rache erwacht, gibt er ihm einfach ein Leckerli. Was macht er als nächstes? Hier wird etwas entstehen, niemand wird es kommen sehen. Was wird nun geschehen? Zeit für eine Sensation. Die Sehnsucht ist groß, dieses Abenteuer wollen wir sehen. Und werden ihn wiedersehen. Es wird sensationell, wir fragen uns, was hier wird geschehen.
Hello and welcome, wonderful humans, to Sword and Quill Monday edition of favorite day of the week. In it, I haven't streamed in a bit. It's because politics have dragged me down, so I wasn't productive, and I also didn't feel like streaming too much, so I apologize. But I am back now, and we're gonna keep working on our exciting little Pokemon Roguelite. And I just have to get my bearings, because I didn't plan this. I don't plan things. I just go ahead and jump right in. What I did prepare is the Trevor Project fundraiser. Let's try that command. Hooray! It works. There's a link. Yes, perfect. I also need to start. Hello, test subtitles. Wonderful. Wonderful, it works. Although the edge is a bit weird, isn't it? Can I move this a little to the left? There we go. That is much nicer. In it. Why do I say in it? Where did that come from? Okay. Okay. So yeah, where are we? Wait, I need to start Visual Studio Code. Preferably correct screen and open the workspace. Here we go. And then let's see. So we did a few things. It's very loud. Yes, there are settings now. Exciting and new. Yeah, what did we change? There's a sticker album now. So marbles are now stickers. I changed that because well, actually I should. So I was thinking about persistent currencies. The ones, so bottle caps are the coins in the run that you can, like, that you will buy things with but lose upon death. And then another currency is the thing that you keep when you die and you can upgrade things, like getting new weapons in dead cells, for example. And I started with them being stickers, but I now realize stickers are way nicer for individual things, like a specific sticker that has a specific effect. So okay, we make this less. Oh no, I wrecked it. It was okay before. Okay, just leave it. We just leave it, correct? Yes. Here. Yeah, I haven't figured out a good setup yet. Where the pop guard is not right in my face. But you know. Wait, let me check. Okay, it's correct. Because I also use this for my tabletop sessions and then it's on 360 and we don't want that. We don't want that on 360. Okay, so we could start with that so we don't get used to the fact that those are stickers. Do we have a blank marble? Marble. Nope, just a marble shadow. Then. And let me quickly download that. Open. Oh yeah, nope. Open from anywhere. Open more. Open from any folder. Nope, that's also wrong. Open from you. Nope. Oh god. I am bad at clicking things that I want from any folder. That's what I tried before. I do not learn. Open from storage. Though it took so long. Soulblaze. I mean, I don't think. Yeah. Export as PNG. Save 256. Soulblaze marble. Alright, sorry, this is on the other screen that I need. Here we go. Here we go. And now we want to go to art and UI and icons. Then we drag in the marble. Then we open the currency display. And then we have the sticker icon, which we still call sticker. I mean, it does not look as nice as the stickers, but now at least we can give it a modulate. We can give it, because I made it gray, so I can put it on different colors. There. What color do we have? What color do we want? We have all the colors. Yeah, but the problem is that then the gloss effect will be also tinted, which I don't think is good. So maybe we do it. Do it manually. Which color would we like? What a nice purple. Purple marble, or what's the most common? Wait, let me common marble. Let's see what is a common. Oh, look, a common marble is an actual animal. What is a typical marble color? Boy, marble. Okay, they're clear. They're clear and they have those. Okay. They're a bit green. This is how I remember them, like this blue-green tint. Let me get my photo P over here. And then let's see if we can't get this blue tone like this. And then maybe we try these. Where's the folder with the icons? It's here. Nope. Maybe we just try these things with the colors. Like one of those. Yeah. Like a red, orange. Right, and then we have something like a green or a blue and a yellow. Let's make this blue. Always hard to pick the nice colors. Never had that good feeling about colors that other people do that I am very, very envious about. I mean, I'm okay with colors. I'm just not great. Opa. When people ask why I play with controller, I've been doing graphic design for like probably 20 years now, and I still can't hit Control Z consistently. Oh, let's get the wrong one. Okay, like this. Does this look like a marble to you? I guess a little bit. Now you put the yellow behind the blue. No. I don't like the shape. Nope. Not everything. Just this one. It's gonna make a like a leaf shape. We do this in yellow. No, maybe the other way around, because it does get. No. Maybe to keep it. Okay, maybe we just keep it, and I mean it's 3D, so some of these can get behind the other. And also get like vanish because they hold onto each other. So we could also just try this. Something like this. There we go. A little bit of this. This needs a nicer wavy shape. Now I have a little bit of unwanted shape down here. That's okay. It's gonna be a small icon anyway. Don't think this looks like a marble though. They have like shadows over each other. Look, this is like kind of easy. Like bap bap bap. Bap bap bap. Why can't I make this? Maybe the red one is just a bit too big. This. And then we make the blue one overlap the yellow one. And then it's perfect. Nobody would ever know that this is not a real marble. It's photorealistic. Completely. And now I'm just gonna maybe take the yellow, make it, let's see how a drop shadow works. I'm always very careful with drop shadows, but maybe in this case. Maybe in this case it works. Let's copy style, put them on those two, see how that works, and then no. Yeah, but I think because it has to work on a small thing, which is always difficult. Do we make it like more bluish and clearer? But I turn the Streamlabs notification off. Huh. And this could be more blue. What? Where is this difference? Overlay. Multiply. Color burn. Color burn looks good. I think that's fine for now. We will always make things different anyway. All right, let's keep it like that for now. Cause you know, people like me can optimize forever and still not be happy. We're gonna take this and we put it in our folder. Sorry, that's on the other window. Art, UI, icons, shabby boop. In you go. Share the book. It the subtitles got my shabby boop as a share the book, which is, you know, it's kind of nice. Ah. Oh, nice. The Games Verband followed me on Blue Sky. Hello, if you're watching Games Verband, I love you. Okay. And let's go back to Godot. I don't like it. But it is what it is right now. It is better than nothing. And this is, yeah. Sure. We'll call this now Marble. Guess we want to rename marbles, but I don't know if we do that yet. Because this will destroy every time I refer to a marble. No, I can make this off stream. Let's make something fun now. I mean, it's not gonna be super fun, you know, but fun enough. What we're gonna do is when you defeat a boss, gonna open the victory screen. Now, first of all, we're gonna open the game manager and then close everything else. I like to start off clean with not too many tabs because I will end up having too many tabs anyway. So we open the victory screen. And the victory screen happens when you defeat any enemy, but we are now specifically looking at the victory screen after you defeat a boss, because this increases your a dice bag. Your dice amount in your dice bag. There you go. And for that, we can open the dice bag. Dice bag here. So, dice slot is when you add a dice, which means you get another dice bag. I mean, I can quickly show you. We go on play. So you start off with 2 die. Yeah. You have the dice bag here. It's very simple. I have to make this pretty at some point, but you have 2 dice and you can pick their colors. So colorless, water, fire, grass, or plant. I haven't renamed them yet to something unique. And when you defeat a boss, currently you get a 3rd. But also, since the beginning, I had this is heavily inspired by Savage Worlds. I want to be able to upgrade the dice from a D4 to a D6, then a D8, and then a D10 maybe. So D4 to D8 is currently the plan. So what I want to do now is, once you defeat the boss, you get the choice between, do I get 1 more die, or do I upgrade one of my available die? Or both? No. No, I don't think so. We'll see. We'll test this. It might not be enough, because I want to play around with some tags. So there's the plants, the plant type. How do I always get entangled in my own cables? Thank you, ADHD. What was I talking about? Grow. Yes, plants have a tag called grow, and the grow means that those are attacks that are weak. They start with damage 1, but anytime you roll a die number that is higher than the damage of the so the damage is 1, you roll 2, it increases. Or so you can grow the technique during the combat into your highest die roll, which currently are D4, so any grow skill can only reach a maximum of damage 4, because you cannot roll higher than that. So currently it's a bit underwhelming and it needs a lot of setup, but my thinking is, once you get to D6s, having like a very cheap ability that you can grow into a damage 6 ability can be quite valuable, and that's why I want to try it. So we want another function to increase a die type. Do we give in a slot? Okay, let's see what we have in here. So we have an array. An array of dice. And if you click on them, oh no, it's just types. Is that gonna be enough? Don't think so. Currently we just store the info which types they have and not what actual die object is in there. So, but we have energy data. We have a die, and we can open the die and see what we put in there. Die. Here. Why did I not make this as a dictionary? Anyway, I'm learning fast. That means that also things are outdated, like from last week, because I learned new things. Okay, do I currently store what the max amount is? Okay, let's Let's unwrap this from the very bottom. Very end, very beginning. Where do you unwrap from? You unwrap a present from the outside. You cannot unwrap something from the inside, right? But that's what we want to do. Okay. Enum. Are we going for another enum called type? That's a bad idea, but sure. Ooh, or we just call it. Can we call it enum D? Because then we can say if we want a D4, it's D.4. Alright, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now let's go with 8 first. See if we need more. Okay. Oh, but it makes this a constant. Yeah, but this is constant. Correct? It's a constant. And then what variables did we assign back in the day when I didn't know too much? So we have an icon. We have energy data, that's a custom class. We check if it's being dragged, that's fine, that's our type. Where's the default type? Fire. How dare you? Sides. Okay, this is what we don't need, I think. And we exchange this with type. And type is gonna be a D. I have a feeling this is a bad idea to name this D, but I want to see how it works. If it seems really to go. Oh. Where do we have type already? Oh, there. Right. Right. Then name this element. Element type? Let's call it element. We should probably call this like element consistently. But I've been asking for this so many times. Alright, selected hover, that's fine. Selected dice icon. Not sure if we use that. Start position. Okay, that is fine. Oh, look, there is a dictionary. Can we just we don't really need those in between, right? Can I put preload into a dictionary? Value? Guess we're gonna find out. And then problem is we need to buy the other one. There's a D6. D6 dice acid animated. It is on game dev. Nope, this is not it. Oh wait, I have to look for the D4 to find the D. Yes. Here, Game Developer Studio. Game Developer Studio.com. This is where I got it. And now we need famished it. Famished? It is. Hello. Welcome to my channel. I just started my journey in tech. In tech. It sounds very, very broad. What kind of tech? It sounds like more than games. And in any case, what kind of text. I wish you all the best on your journey. I hope it's full of exciting lessons and things that you learn and projects that you do. Where is... Oh, look! The control screen has beautiful colors. Programming, creating games, making websites. Ah, all of it. Yes, that's how I do things. That's how I ended up a solo developer, because I do everything. I cannot say no to anything. So, yes, I feel that. So yeah, I hope it goes very well. I hate making websites, but I have to do one. Not necessarily. I applied for funding for game startups in Germany. If I get that, then I have to have a website. It's part of the contract. And then I have to deal with that shit. But until then, I'm gonna postpone it forever. Dice. Okay, here it is. 12-sided dice. Okay, they have up until 12-sided dice. So we are... You want to make a website to promote my editing skills. Yeah. It's a win-win situation. Make a website for... Yeah, I mean, if the website can make your work shine, then it makes total sense. I just, from my experience, a lot of things that you can show, you don't have to have a unique website. Like a lot of portfolio sites do whatever you need just as well without any coding. Like, I don't know, for example, if I have a game design portfolio, I don't need a fancy website. I don't even have, like, my references are the game links, because you cannot really show your design work. Like, I'm not going to put any game design documents on there. So I might as well use a customized portfolio site. But yeah, a friend of mine is also like trying to make her 3D portfolio shine, and she was thinking about making the website 3D to like show with the website what you can do. So in those cases, it's pretty smart to do that, I think. 8-sided die. Do they have the whole set? I don't think so. Okay. This is what we need. Did I cut these separately? I have no idea how I did that. Let's see. Dice. Yes, we cut those separately. And we made them gray. I wish I saved those settings. Did I save those settings? Can I save those settings? I don't know. Wait, we don't want a D8. We want a D6. We're not at the D8 yet. Do we do that yet? So how did you... So you just started your journey. So what did you do before? Are you changing fields, or did you finish university or school, or how did you end up at the start of this? Do I buy this now? I feel like I should add a basket so we can... Error? What do you mean error? Oh. Because I'm not logged in? No, I'm logged in. Add to basket. Add it to basket. Oh, I need to add credits, don't I? I need to add credits. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do all the money PayPal-y thing on a different screen real quick. What? What are you? Errors over errors. Get credit now. Oh, I need to add 5. Yeah. Let's get it. Okay. Now we can get our beautiful D6s. Go to library, and now we have it. I can put it back here. Wait, no, it has to be here. Thank you. Okay. How do there GDS editor start here, and then we load. Did save them, but how do I load? I used this before, but how do I load a specific asset into this library? Okay, this just downloads the file. Oh, I think this is a scene that I can then open from here. Open. Okay, and now GDS editor launch 14 beta. Load scene file. Download. Here. Nope, this is what? Why is this suddenly? Why did you show me this random thing? Red dice, white dice, spreadsheet. All frames white. Alright. So now this side is very nice because you can buy these assets and then they are in different layers and you can adjust the colors here. No, I just have to remember how I... Oh yeah. Nope. Colors. Ortho results, main. How do I adjust colors again? Toggle alpha, white background, slate, light gray, off white, pure white. Oh, no, 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 no. Almost black, thank you. Colors, please. Main category. Can I? Oh yeah, all of them. Now color, no shape, color. Dice. Oh, luminosity. There. No, saturation. Saturation is what we want. We want this to be gray, so we can colorize this and the numbers too. There we go. Okay. Is this good? Primary numbers also. There we go. That looks good. And then we can download this somehow. Main result here. Export scene. I don't want to export scene. I want to save scene to local. Export scene as PNG. All frames. Batch export components. Export into scene area. Click the scene. Okay, all frames. Did this work? That would be so nice and easy. Animation. Oh yeah. That is so nice. 256 times 256. So if we go back to Godot, size. Oh, here dies. And then, oh, but we loaded them. If I move them now, that's okay. That's okay. Create new folder. We call it the D4, and then we say this one. D4 animation. So let's keep it clean. Let's keep it all named correctly, so we don't get confused. We already get confused enough as it is. So this way we reduce the confusion amount by 5% by naming things and breaking all the path references. But we can fix that another time, aka in 5 minutes. Alright, so we put you in here, and then immediately before I forget, we say copy path, and then it should be here. Okay, so all we have to add is this after dice, bop bop, and up here also, in case we do end up needing making separate variables. Yes. Oh no. Type, because type is now element. And sides. Sides should match. We could write a function for it to get a side number element. And should we do that real quick? Func get sides number, and then we want a type of type D. Don't think it's a bad decision. And then match type D4. But look, this is perfect. It's a D4, D.4. Return. Oh yeah, we want to return an integer. So we return 4. And D6. We return 6, and a D8. We return 8. Not awkward. Oh, otherwise we return 0. Yes, and then what? And then we don't need sides, I think. Guess we have to put it in the initializing anyway. So what we're doing now is we go to our D6 and we say D6 animation 0 0, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. And then we move this over to Godot. So we want a new folder, which is a D6, and then we throw these in here. Yep, and then we do the same for the ortho results, which is, what do we call them? Just numbered. Okay, we can do that. Orthographic. So D6 1, D6 2. It's the 2, right? Nope, it's the other way around. Wait, why is this 4? Wonderful. 4, 5, D6 6. Then this is, yes, this is the 1. This is the 1. Wait, no. No, God damn it. D6 1, D6 2, D6 3. Now we move them over. Perfect! And then we get the copy path. And then we want a new dictionary, which we call var d6 images type dictionary. So if you have any questions about anything, if I should explain anything, please let me know. I am happy to explain more things here. 3, reload. 4, reload. Oh. And 5. I should just copy the whole thing, no? I mean, sorry. There, and 6, the last one, and now we just have to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then initialize die. Initialize die should have the type. Type D. Then element. Element of type global enums type. Because then we don't have to put these in. So we have element here with type there. So what we're saying is, so first of all, if type, no. Okay, so type equals type, element equals the element we get through, and then what are we doing here? Here do we modulate? So maybe we do want to keep sides. Because where do we use it? Do we use it when we roll? Oh yeah, okay. But we don't need sides for that. We can just get side number. That's what we can do. And we don't have to put anything in here. We just match type, What we can do is if type, wait, no. Can it be? Yeah, okay, then we don't need that. We don't need sides. What we're gonna do is we say match type. And we say D4 pass D6 pass D8 pass. And that means the D4 is gonna be selected die icon. Where's D4 selected? What is this selected icon? D4 selected. Roll die. Selected. Ah. I don't think we're using that. Don't think we're using that. So let's keep that out. What we say. We put this in here. Which one is the D4 icon though? Huh. I think we want I think we want the D4 images then, no? So D4 images. Oh, and for 6 we want die icon to be D6 images 6. Wait, is it 6? Yes. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then if energy data type colorless. Oh yeah, we don't need that anymore. Because what we do is we set the sides to 6. Else. Nope, we don't need all these things. Then die icon modulate. Yes, we put the color of the die corresponding to the element, and then die icon visible to true in start position. Okay. So that doesn't sound too bad for now, huh? That does not sound too bad. Sorry, lock things up. Okay, so we don't have D8s yet. So do we want? Not gonna use that because we got a better function. Roll die notification. Do we want the upgrade? Yes, we want the upgrade method in here, don't we? Funk. Funk upgrade, because we're gonna call this from outside. And then we say if type equals Can we get the size of the type? Oh yeah. We can. So the size is gonna be 3. Correct? The size is gonna be 3. 0, 1, 2. So if we say if it is smaller, right? No. If it is larger, equal to size minus 1. So if the type, because an enum is just a number. If the current type is 0, 1, 2. If the current type is 2, it means it's a D8. The size is 3 minus 1 is 2. So if size 2 is 2, it means we are already at the maximum die type. And then we say print error already at max die type. Then return. Otherwise, type plus equal 1. Why is this yellow? Integer used when an enum value is expected. Type plus 1. Okay. Godot in get and increase by 1. Yeah, leave page. How to increment an enum? Ah, here. See, they have the same question. Enums elements are basically constants. Also, the idea to increment the enums during runtime is not right. If cover level, find key level cover of +1. Cover levels. Find key is what we need. Type. Find key type +1. Nope, that also does not. Cannot call function on enum value. Why not? Oh, this is just. Yeah, but level of cover. From when is this? January 29th. But they are in. They just add. Oh no, that's what they try. But that's what it did. Level of cover +1. Level of cover is weird. Plus equal 1. Enum plus equal 1. Let's just enum. Now print something like dictionaries internally. So the same operations as dictionary apply for enums. First key 42. So how do we It's very easy. Integer used when an enum value. If this is intended, cast the integer to the enum type. Cast the integer to the enum type. How do you do that? How do I? cast integer into enum. We learn so much, don't we? You can do 0 as display server window mode. In this specific case, it's barely shorter and doesn't tell you which mode it actually is. Wherever int is expected, you can use any enum value without an explicit cast. What is a cast, though? Okay, what does cast mean? How to cast a variable? Variable casting. Typecasting is a key concept in typed language, blah blah blah. Imagine an enemy in your game that extends area 2D. You wanted to collide with the player with a script called player control attached to it. So you use on-body entrance signals and blah blah when type code the body and not your player controller on the on-body. You can check. You can check if this physics body is your player with the as casting. Ah, okay. So what you want is as D. This? No? If this is intended, cast the integer to the enum type. The get key type +1. Nope. Then I don't know what you mean. I mean, it's a yellow thing. If this is intended, cast the integer to the enum type. We can, I guess. Actually, init initialize die is what we want, right? We want to initialize it again, so type +1 and element, and then we want the animation roll die. I need to rename this into roll die d4, because then we're going to duplicate it and make roll die d6. And this is going to be the same except for the textures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh. Wait, doesn't it end with a specific? Ah, yes. Set die result is what happens here. So we have yep. Perfect, and then hush. Okay. And then do we have the roll? Yeah, the roll die. Animation player. var animation name. And what animation name? Oh, come on. Right. No. And then we want another match type. And then we say animation name is roll is roll die d4. This one is roll die d6, and here we want a pass. And then we play the animation with the ring. Correct. And then set die result. We'll probably need this one more time. Set die result. There. So this goes in here. And here we say D6. Wait. We don't need two icons. What are we animating here? Roll die is a D4 icon. Okay, yeah. We don't need this. Call this the die face icon. Face. Just die face. And then, oh, this renames it. And here we say die face, and the other one goes away. And yeah, we just called it. We already just called it die d4. No. Die face sprite. Die face texture rect. So we know that's not the texture, but the texture rect. Oh, this shows the icon if you hover over it. I didn't know that. That's cool. So what is the default icon? Huh? Texture rect. Okay, why? That's weird. Okay, we just call this the texture rect. Yeah, just call this the texture rect, and then we say texture rect, texture rect, texture rect, texture rect. And here we say set die result was here, and then we say for texture rect D6 images energy data amount. Yes. And then we want to go into the dice bag, and it says somewhere in it, no? Oh yeah, because we want the array to be not a type, but a die actually. And then for n in slots, equip dice append. Then we have to actually, we don't want a die, we want a die data. We don't want to put in the whole don't put in the whole object, right? Although if we show the dice bag, then it would be helpful. To have the actual objects, because in the interface we show them. Or are those just fake? I don't know. How do we do this? No, I think we make a custom class for this. Or resource? Is that a resource? I don't know. I think it's a resource. And so let's go in here to scripts. Resource base. No script. Inherits resource. And we call this die. Die data. Die data. Or die base. Die base. Create. Die base is. Wait, what? Where did it go? Die base. There. There we go. And we call it class name die base. Go. And then we have a variable that is type. Like I could do also just do this with a dictionary. Do I need a custom class for this? Do we do a dictionary or an array with? I think an array might be easier. Okay, die base type die d. No, die d. Yeah. And then var element global enums pipe. Oh, pipe. Does it have to remember anything else? No. It's what type, it's what color. So in the dice bag we say die base. And then for this we append a new resource and we say for this we want const die base. I preload die base script. So what we say is die base. No. Wait, what? How did it work with the anemone? How do we? Oh yeah, the internal init is what we need in the die base. So we want func init, and it takes a type of die d, and it takes an element of global enums type. Then we just say type equals type. And element equals element. Hooray. So what we say is this on ready? I think already, it's fine. A die base new, and then we say die d4 and global enums type colorless. Yeah. And then events does loadout change on loadout changed. On loadout changed, equip die, new loadout. Wait. Equip die. Oh, it comes from the screen. But yeah, we don't want a type, we want a die array of die base. Because then we say for die in equipped dice, die type equals equip dice size -1. So die type equals new loadout die. Oh no, we say this is a number. So we say equipped dice type. So we're setting, because the dice spec screen changes the loadouts and then emits a new array of dice settings. So now we have to adjust from the data we get, we have to put this into our dice spec information. And then equip, and the same again, just for element. Oh wait, it should just be element, because you will not upgrade it. You will not upgrade the die in the dice spec screen, so it's just the element. Correct. No, it's correct. It's correct as it was. But we just have to convert it. So we get an array of types, and then we say for die in equipped die, no, again, for E in equipped dice size -1, because it starts at counting at 0. Equipped dice EI element equals new loadout I. Yeah, correct. And then new dice slot. So again, this. Doop. So we are at the dice spec, and now we want to upgrade one, but we upgrade that not here, we upgrade it in the die. Oof. How do we update this? I guess we'll get there once we have an actual upgrade screen. But we could also just start with a D6. See if it works. That sounds like a smart decision. Something is not loading. Do I have an error? If you initialize die. Wait, why did you not? New die. Where is this? Call roll die. Initialize die. Where are we? Energy manager component. Energy manager component. Oh, initialize die for n in die amount. But you get the die amount from game manager dice back slots. So we should get this away. We don't need dice amount. What we do is for n in game manager dice bag equip dice size -1. No. Yes, -1. Call this I. And then we say dice spawn parent currently available dice append new die type, and then we say game manager equip die I. Wait, no. Here. That's correct. I. New die. Initialize die. Needs the... Okay, actually, this might just need the index. And then it can pull it from itself, right? So say index int, and then we say type equals global, no, game manager dice bag equip dice dice index, and the same index type and element. There. Then all we need is to put I in here. How nice. Does this work now? Let us see if we have the D6. Wait, was there pop-up right now on Twitch? I just saw a little star. So if someone did anything and I missed it, I'm sorry. Initialize die. Ah. Fuck. okay, this is then, oh yeah, okay, I get it. So this does not work. Then if we upgrade the die, upgrade. It says initialized die needs an index. Okay. Then we go back to our, oh, it was die. Return it to what we had before. And then we need to go to the energy manager that then says initialize die. That's fine, we can do it like this. Type and element. This should work. Yeah? Okay. You turn off the music. Okay. Do I have... Nope, there's an error. Invert assign of property or key type with the value of resource die base on a base object of type control. We are still asking for the type directly, so we need to say type here. Let's search if this happens anywhere. New slot, my die type, type. Then new die type, element type. That's correct. That's correct. Okay, let's try this again. Also, don't forget, if you collect enough channel points, cucumber sandwiches, which I have to change because we're not doing the tabletop RPG anymore. If you collect enough of those, you can summon dragon. You can summon the dragon, and then you will see my cute dog on screen. So do not let those points go to waste, friends. Master volume. He's very good on camera. All right, next turn. Nope, and another one. Texture rect. Trying to assign type. Oh, I am not concentrated today. Texture. All right, and once more, and I should just set the settings to 0. And here we go. Come on, this time. Nope, another one. Invalid assignment of property key visible with the value of type bool on a base object. Oh yeah. Because we don't have selected anymore, because you just drag them to the reroll. Let's get away with all the selected shit here. Sorry. Select die icon and selected. It's not gonna be there anymore, so let's find where we have remnants of that stuff. And now, the 5th time is the charm, right? That's how people say it. Nope. Okay, it does work, but it's invisible. So, die, game manager, current view, battle scene, dice roll manager, canvas, battle content, dice spawner, dice spawn parent. Here we go. What do we have here? We have one die. We have one die. Okay. Element 0. It's correct. Type 1 is correct. So is it the die face? Has a sprite. Has a size. Scale half. So why can't I see it? Which animation are you? Roll dice. What are you rolling? Match type. So type was 1. Roll die d6. Isn't that the... There it is. Roll die d4. Okay, let's see if it is specific d6 issue, or if we just broke something in general. Mystery of a mystery. Okay, it is a general issue. Okay, what is under reset? Scale. Scale is 0. Modulate is full. Texture is... Texture is this. Roll d4. Scale gets from 0 to this. So why are you invisible? Try again on the play mode. That is strange. That is... so I need water. Alright, let's try this. Battle scene, battle canvas, battle content, dice spawner, dice spawner. It's also not good that there's only one die, but first things first. Element 0, type 0, hovered, start position -64, -64. Drag offset, custom minimum size, scale 1. So where are you? Why are you invisible? Is it die face? It has the right one. Okay, let's try Z. No, it has nothing to do with the Z. Okay, what if I turn on all the other... Well, okay, those are there. What? Oh. Wait. The modulate? Ah, shit. The modulate was set on transparent. Why though? And why is the subtitle box back to where I didn't want it? So animation, multi-4. Okay, but the modulate is full. And it's full here. And default is full. And reset is full. So where is modulate getting set to 0? Is it here? No, that can't be. Huh? Color white. Let's try if that is the... Come on. That is the issue? But I've used that function before, so... Fuck, damn it. But it is... Settings. Settings. The colors are here and they have 255 transparency. So why are you... Why are you transparent? That makes no sense. So what? If I go in here and say texture, rect, modulate, A to 255. Don't tell me now you will show, because that's gonna... I'm gonna be angry. Wait. No. Okay, so it's also color black, so... Oh, wait. If it's none. If it's none, it returns color black. That's the problem. It doesn't have a type. So... Where do... Okay, that narrows it down. So in the battle view, battle manager, we have the dice roll manager that equips but it gets the element. And it gets it initiates them as dice bank. Let's start the game and check the dice bag. What types they have. We don't need this here. We need to go in here. Remote. Game manager. Dice bag array 2. So the first one is type 0. So D4 element 0. Wait. But element 0 is none, isn't it? Or is it? Oh, wait. Let's check that. What is global enums? Okay. Huh? The 0 is none. That makes no sense. But we set it to... Where's the dice bag? We set it to colorless. Ha! Why is this 0? It should be 1. should be 1. Let's print. Say heading dice of type and element this. Then placeholder is gonna be die d keys die d4. I mean, we know what it is, and then no, we're gonna say equipped dice n. Ah shit, we still need this. Oh no, what's correct? Equipped dice n type, and then equipped dice I element. Oh, but also the same. Global enums type keys. What now? Oh, because it's n, not I. Okay. Oh. We just want the how's this none? I literally tell you it's colorless. Okay, it's a dice of type 4 is correct with element none. But we specifically say type colorless here. Okay. Let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. Die base. No. Global enums. Type colorless. I mean, we could also just say 1. And then see what happens. Nope. Doesn't matter what we put in here. Okay. It doesn't matter what we put in here, which means the problem oh, I know it would have. It's a dumb thing like that. I confused the local variable with the non-local one. Dumb. But then we can at least try the 6s now. Good job, brain. Bit slow, but you figured it out eventually. Alright, give me a d6. It's only 1 d6 though. Okay. Wait, that is not the... Oh. How's this orthogonal? Oh well, I can change this. So this is a 2? Yes. Here we have a 5, that's great. But those are the wrong images. For some reason. So what we want is... Oh, results top. I see. Okay, so... scheiße. D6, 1. Nope. D6, 2. D6, 6, 3, D6, 4, D6, 5, D6, 6. And then we put them, not this, we put them over to, nope, over here, nope, okay. Soulblaze, art, you, dice, D6, replace. And then somewhere in the dice roll manager where we say call roll dice for, okay, it is the size, but oh yeah, it starts at 0. We don't have to do that. Let's go. There it is. So we can reroll. I can reroll. Now the question is, does the pash work? The double, I mean. Come on, give me a double. Nope. Yep, I know. Chances are much lower. Oh, alright. That's good. That's good. That means now we can upgrade. So we go to the dice bag and we return it back to oh, dice bag scene is not what we want. We want the actual dice bag. We start with a d4. We should also try. Yes. And then we want a upgrade scene. Which is user interface, and we call it dice upgrade screen. Okay, and then we call it scenes UI as upgrade scene, and it's gonna be full, and then we're gonna have add a child, which is a HBox container, and then we're gonna open the arcade because we're just gonna copy one of those. Guess we can make this a scene. If French is scene component, call this upgrade card component. Good. And then this upgrade scene, we add upgrade card component. Which is going to be in the center. I guess we can. Do we make this local? Then the whole point is lost, I think. That it's a scene. guess we can make it a unique thing. So we call it upgrade card component. And then we make a script on the scripts that I have to desperately sort at some point, but not today. Ha ha ha. Class name upgrade upgrade card component. And then we want the title label, which is a label, text, image or icon, texture rect, and select button, this button. What else? Is that it? Description label. Export for description label as a rich text. No, not rich text effect. What is this? Rich text effect. Label. Put this here. Okay. Then we revoke unique name, because if you get something with a unique name that is a scene that has unique names inside, I read it creates problems. And that's why we do it like this. Icon, description label, and select button. This button. And then we just have a signal selected, card selected. Okay. And then just func init or ready. It's ready, right? Ready if title text. Oh, actually we don't. Oh. Export var title string export var description export var, no, not title description export multi-line var icon texture to D, I think, and then the select button we don't need. And then we say initialize card, and we will add a optional handles where we can add the title string as empty. This description, no, description. Oh. String. And icon. Texture to D equals null. What? Texture. Or no, just icon, and we call this icon Oh, just texture rect. There we go. Initialize card, and then we say if title is empty, then title. What? No. Title label text is equal. Else the label text equals text title. Oh, and also we want this to be translated. Correct. The same for the other. If description is empty, then description label text equals description. Else description label text. The repetitive work, translate this to local description. Here, why don't you find this? Autocomplete, I trusted you. And then if icon is null, then texture rect texture equals icon. My brain is slowly getting its limits. Need to 2 breaks soon. Oh, I can do a little longer. Text. Otherwise, texture rect texture is the icon one. Yes. Description. Could not find the script. Oh, what am I doing? I'm not very concentrated. That's what I'm doing. Didn't have enough coffee, obviously. And yeah, anyone who joined, welcome. I am raising money for Trevor Project, who always needs support, but now more than ever. So if you have anything to spare, please consider donating to the cause. Otherwise, I am setting this up, and then we want to subscribe to the button pressed. Select button pressed, connect to on button pressed, which we also need to make punk button pressed, and then we just got selected emit. Boop. Beautiful. And now we want to make an image. What am I doing? I am looking for the other window here, photo pay, and we make a new, and we call it 260 510. I have such no feeling for how much. So one thing that we want to do is an icon for upgrade. Upgrade the icon from a D4. Oh, actually, don't we want the do we have the nice icon? Animated, four-sided. Oh, I hate Windows doing this every time. Weird. Hinges. White dice. All frames. Oh. There. White die, orthographic 6. There we go. And then the other one Do we have the 4 there? Or do we have the nice one? Animated 4 PNG results. There we have the 4. We can guess we can color. But the pink is kind of nice. But do we want to keep the pink? Do we want to keep the pink or the upgrade? Also, why does this have a shadow and this one does not have a shadow? Okay, maybe we just make both pink. And then we need an arrow. Do we have an arrow? We do not have any shapes. Sad. Parametric shape. Do we have one here? Nope. Why are there no? Oh, there. Ah, there's an arrow. Do we have a thicker arrow? Arrow. This one? Ah, there we go. White. Guess we make both colorless because then we can just. Or not? There we go. Put this behind both of them. A better icon for the D4. Dice tray. Oh, this is different animation. Maybe one of the animation ones. Oh, but it has the ones with the. Maybe we can open this in Game Developer Studio. Nope. Account. Oh, I have to log in again. GDS Editor. Launch beta access. Start here. Load scene. 6-sided dice, but we want animated 4-sided die, animated 4-sided die, GD plus. All frames, this one, yes, and then we select all. We take, oh no. What's this? Turn on multiple selecting. Ah. Yeah, I guess we just want this. 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 Gonna make it pretty. pasting it to something like this effects. When we want there was something. Motion blur. Oh, numbers yes, but the effect. There we go. We want one that. Guess this one is the one we want. Then we take color of the numbers. Which number? Which color was it? Ah, god damn it! We want the dark gray. Yes. There we go. And then export. Yeah, export them all. And then download, extract, and oops. Nope. Here. Oh shoot. We just want I think this one is roughly the same. This one is roughly yes, you know what I mean. And now we want to select this minus nope, minus this all. Oh, wait, no. Minus this. Give me the other one. Because I want to have a shadow just like that. Yep, there we go. And then let's make a little bit of room without this shit. Excuse me? No. Oh. There we go. And then this one goes here, and this can be a little smaller. Wait, this should go in the center, and the rest should adjust. There we go. And then this is the icon. Call this dice icon dice upgrade. And then I want another icon that is just gonna be this one, and this one is group, and then we put them here. Please. Just remove these things. Why? Why can't I delete them? Hello. This program today does not like me. Okay. And now we just want a plus. Yes, in white. There we go. What? No, this one. Plus gets big. And then we get another dice and yet another stupid shadow from the nether region. No, not from the nether region. Or maybe it is from the nether region. Who knows? Who knows? I would love to just delete all of the oh wait, can I image trim? No. See, I think if you're just in Photoshop you could just do that. If you just crop it, no, it does not work here. I don't like that. And why can't I just delete it like this, please? Don't think we need that. I think 2 dice and plus symbol is enough. So that's gonna be it. PNG icon, icon, dice, plus 1. Sure, that's accurate. And then art, UI, icons, download those two. Go in here. And then we have 2 of these cards. Oh, but not in here. It is in the dice upgrade screen where we have 2 of those cards. And the first one is increase dice? No. Gain dice. Gain. Oh, we want this to be from the translation sheet. So we, oh, nope. That is the verified Gaza people that you can support. I donated there. People in need that have no shelter. They're verified via video call. Yeah, they really are who they are, need help. Yes, so we call this gain die. Gain die. And the other one is upgrade die. Let's just upgrade the die. So we have gain die and upgrade die. Not sure if we need I don't like when this is not neutral. So title label, we'll just say title. And the texture is just gonna be, so there's a modulate on it for whatever reason, and this can just be the circle or something. Circle. And description is description. And a button. Button. Oh. We need the button text too. Export var button text string. So we also have this here. Button text string is empty, and then we have the same in the comma. And we have the same here like there, just with the button. So button text and the button text. No, button label. Button label. One button. Oh, just button? Wait. Select button. Why is it not just button text, and otherwise it is button text. And do we have select in our sheet? Select? Nope. So we'll put this here. Select, select, select. This is what we're gonna put in here. Arcade, no, not arcade, this one. So button text, select, select. And gain die and upgrade die. So the first one is the icon of icon dice +1. And the second one is dice upgrade. Then we want description for gain die description. And then upgrade die description. And gain die is add another D4 to your dice, to your dice. What happened? To your die bag. And here upgrade one of your die to refer to the increase upgrade one die to the next higher type. I can, since we use this localization thing, I can just put in something now and just edit this later, which is very nice. There we go. There we go, Bozy. And here we have gain and this, and we call it select, and this should have separation. How much separation do we have here? 80. So let's just take the same. So has similar. And so why is there no margin? Margin container. Boop boop. Let's put in a nice margin everywhere. Go. Oh. I see. That's why. So we want to put the margin container around the description. No. Wait, how do we do this here? Oh, because it's centered. Right, because it's centered. So we want it to be... We want the text to be center plus this plus, because it's BB code. So same. Oh no. Yeah. Ah. Wrong. Why did I not copy the plus? This should be it then. And upgrade screen, yes. So on the upgrades, oh, upgrade screen does not have a script yet. We can rectify that. Just add one. So easy sometimes. Class name dice upgrade screen. And then we have export var cards, which is an array of upgrade card component. And then on ready, say for card in cards, card in initialize card, card red. Oh no, wait, we can't do that. We have to make this manually. So export var card gain, card upgrade card component, and then card upgrade. So then we say card gain initialize card, card gain pressed, no, not on button pressed, selected, card selected, connect, on gain selected, and then card upgrade initialize card, card selected, connect on upgrade selected. Because then we also have to make a selection screen. Func func on gain selected as, and func on upgrade selected as. Connect. No. Ah. There you go. Okay. And here also we want a signal exited. Func on exit rest as. No, we can just say exited emit. So this is we also want to have a function for. Set inactive, so button, select button enabled. No, what is it? Disabled. True. So on gain selected, we say card upgrade. Oh no, we can set all inactive, because once you've pressed, all of them should be. Bonk, set buttons inactive. So card gain set inactive, and upgrade, card upgrade set inactive. So once you press something, you should get set inactive because you don't want them to be pressed again, or the other also. So set buttons inactive, and then game manager dice bag, add dice slot. Amount 1. So that's easy. Does this emit something? Guess not. And then on upgrade selected is a bit harder, because now we need a selection screen for a die. How do we do that? We could open the dice bag. The dice screen, I mean. Dice bag screen. We could give it also an opened from, opened from, which is run menu or upgrade screen. And then we need a variable for this. Say opened from. Wait, we have an open from? No. Of type opened from. So we can recycle the dice screen that we already have to open, but with a different functionality. Which means exit button pressed and exit button pressed. Should have a signal. Ah, close screen. We have a signal. Hey, look, past me, thought ahead. Wonderful. Initialize then should have opened from. Opened from. Opened from. And then we say opened from is equal to opened from. It's so easy, isn't it? And then we don't want dice slot, new slot. So this is a slot component, and the slot component should probably also have an opened from. Does this get initialized? Nope, it just connects to the signal. I still have coffee. It's cold and wonderful. Ooh. Okay. Think with my head thingies. Brain, do the thing where you think. So if we are from the upgrade screen, we have a slot component that you can press on. And if you press on it, we have two signals. We have a signal, die slot changed. That's when you change your loadout. But we want a second signal for just pressed, selected. And we want a variable that's called opened from as well, which has dice bag scene opened from. It's here, right? Yes. And then slot component. Slot component. Slot component. Let's say initialize. And we give it also an opened from. Scene opened from. So we know where we're coming from, so we can change the functionality. So we go back to our dice bag scene where we initialize this and add a child. New slot index. So we also don't need to set the index. This is important that it knows the index. Oh yeah. So we can also put the index in here. We initialize it anyway and say index equals index. And dice type. Element. Or the type. Is it type or element now? New slot, my dice type. Oh, it's type. So type. Die type. Oh, die D. Yeah. So. Oh no, it is element. My dice type is my dice element. And type. Die D. So we want type. And we want element. So then my type equals type and element equals element. Let's just call it type 2. Here, type. Oh. Okay, fine. So we say here, new slot initialize. And the first thing is what's the first thing? Opened from. Then the second one is I don't know. Oh, because you have an error here. on dice changed. Dice element. Okay. So now open from index type game manager dice bag equip dice type and then element. Okay. Dice loadout. Okay. Does this work? What was it doing? Oh yeah. So now we connect to different things. So if match opened from dice bag scene opened from run menu as no, it takes this. The other one, dice bag scene open from upgrade screen. The new slot die slot, no, not die slot changed, selected, connect on die selected. If we don't have one here on die selected slot. No, what do we emit? Index. And then selected. Oh, this dice back scene. Correct, cause then new slot selected index 8. Because now we say match open from again is dice back scene opened from run menu, and the other one is dice back scene opened from upgrade screen. So all these things go in here. Oh god. And the other one is slot button pressed connect on die selected. Yep, I know. I have to do this. Funk. And then selected emit index. Correct? We have an index. We have an index, and this gets the index. So if we go one back, the dice slot component comes from the dice bag screen. The dice bag screen needs a signal die selected with an index of int2, because then die selected emit index. Good. So in the run menu, we need dice bag screen initialize. Because this need opened from, correct? Opened from, yes. Dice bag scene run. Opened from run menu. There we go. And then from the upgrade, dice upgrade screen, where we need we need a container. Dice bag screen container with this unique name, which we then need to reference here. Oh. On ready var dice bag container dice bag. Nope, it's just % and this, and there we go. And so then we say var dice bag equals, now I need also the scene, dice bag preload dice bag screen scene, instantiate as dice bag scene, then dice bag container, add child dice bag, and then the dice bag initialize, I think. What does it need? Opened from. Dice bag scene opened from upgrade screen, and then also dice bag closed. Close screen connect on dice bag screen closed. Need here func. And we say for child in dice bag container get children child q3. Okay. But actually we want to connect to dice bag selected. No, dice selected connect on upgrade die selected. So we also need function, and it needs an index int, and then we say game manager dice bag upgrade no, oh, we don't have an upgrade function yet. Is that it? Or open dice bag. Add dice slot, yeah. Func, upgrade, die, index, int. And then when we say if equipped dice index type equals die type d size -1, print error, die already at max type, return otherwise equipped dice index type 1. Or should this be, could be a global events setting dice bag related here. Signal dice upgraded index int. See, that's much easier. So now we go under ready events, dice upgraded, connect, upgrade dice. Huh? Oh, just upgrade dice. And then if we go back to upgrade screen, on upgrade die selected, events, die upgraded, emit index. Correct? I mean, I kind of need an animation. We probably want this in the upgrade screen, right? Where's the die upgrade screen? Dice bag. I want this in the slot. I want this in the slot. A slot component. So I want an animation here. Func. Upgrade dice die image. Upgrade die image. Die slot component has type. So match my type. So it's die D4, die D6, die D8. So what we need is a constant for the image, constant constant var d4 image reload d4 4. Oh, every time. And then const var d6 image reload d6 6. I can change this later. d4 image. What's happening? Oh, just const. And then slot button. Wait, where is? Which one is the icon? Oh yeah, slot button. Sure. So we take slot button texture normal. Okay, that's kind of weird. We need to change that eventually. Is then d6 image, and here is just pass because we cannot upgrade these 6s yet. And then we want an animation. Then we just name upgrade, and here we take the slot container. Nope, slot button. Yeah, slot button scale. I'm just gonna scroll it down to 0. And then we want a call method track where we change the sprite upgrade die image right here, and then bam, it comes back, because then it comes to five 0.8 1.1. Is that enough? Oh, but I don't want you to. Okay. So we just played the animation upgrade then. On die selected. If opened from equals dice screen opened from upgrade screen, then animation player play upgrade, and then await animation player animation finished, and then we emit. And now we just have to connect this. Connect this to the victory screen, but I think I'm gonna do this after the lunch break. So I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead and take a lunch break and walk the dog. And yep, thanks everyone for joining. Follow if this interests you. You can also find me on Blue Sky, which I should also have a link for, but I don't have right now. It's Sword and Quill on this guy too. So thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day, morning, night, wherever you are, and stay wonderful, stay hydrated, and I'm gonna see you on the next stream. See you out.